Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I am Rodina Gjuhë and today you are going to see about English literature, reading and writing. You are using Live Beat 4 as your book. Now let's get started. What sort of books do you like reading? What have you read recently that you have really enjoyed? Discuss these questions with your peers. And then you are going to see about a text which is The Time Machine by H.G. Wells. In this text, you are going to see more about The Time Machine, which is a science fiction book by H.G. Wells, a British author which was very famous. And here you are going to see about the changes that he expected to see when he was known as the time traveler. As also, you are going to see about his opinion on Eloi and Morlocks. After reading about that opinion, you are going to have an extract from The Time Machine, and you are going to see the part of the time traveler where he meets the Eloi. Now you are going to answer the questions about the review and the extract. First, we will see about the time traveler and his opinion on size, strength, and the intelligence of the Eloi. Here you will see if they were negative or positive. The second one, you will answer to what happens to the time machine. Then, how are the Morlocks different from the Eloi? And the fourth one is, how does the time traveler get his time machine back? And the questions about the extract are, what does he notice about the natural world? How healthy were the people? What social change did he find surprising? And in what way can difficulties in life be good? The speaking part. Talk about you, answer the questions. Bear in mind, if you've read any science fiction books or seen any science fiction films, tell us if you enjoyed them. And then, imagine you travel in a time machine to the year 3020. What changes do you think you would see in these areas? Please use these ideas to write more about them. As we've got a writing tip here about linkers, as well as what's more, not only, but also. We can join two ideas in one sentence by using pairs of linkers. Example, not only, but also, and we can add points with as well as and what's more. The book forecasts space travel and nuclear wars, as well as predicting genetically modified foods. They are not only physically smaller, but also less intelligent. What's more, they have become weak. In the sixth exercise, you are going to join the sentences in three ways. For example, she is intelligent. She is very beautiful. As well as being intelligent, she is very beautiful. The second option is, she is not only intelligent, but also very beautiful. And the third one, she is intelligent, what's more, she is beautiful. The second and the third is going to be done by you. Next, we've got completing the text with the correct words from the box in each gap. The first one is already done. We've got as well as. Then we've got what's more. There are some fun things to do in the second paragraph. And then in the third paragraph, we're starting with there are not only things to look at, but also instruments that you can play. Then we've got as well as looking around. We had a 45-minute workshop on the making of a pop star. It was not only interesting, but also very useful. Okay, the next exercise is about choosing the correct endings. The first one, oh no, that's awful, which is already done. Then we've got the second one, which is how terrible, from the 3 options given. The third one is well done. The fourth one is good for you. Then we've got that's awful. The sixth one is I'm sorry to hear that. The seventh, never mind. The eighth, poor you. And the last one, or the ninth one, is that's a shame. Thank you all for your attention. Have a great day and see you next class.